Alright guys, so on my face I'm using my Sasha Buttercup just to mattify my face because I'm not wearing a primer. And oh, and I have on my oil, my belly spray facial serum. So I'm using glue stick. You can of course use a smaller one, but this is the only one that we had lying around. By we I mean Jonathan. So I'm using the Sasha Buttercup again, just to absorb any of the, like if it's still wet, just to absorb it a little bit. Then I'm going over it to get my hairs lying flat. Now my hairs are really thin. I didn't really need to use the glue stick, but I wanted to use it to get them a little bit flat or flatter, my eyebrows. So I'm just repeating this step. And then this is me with all my makeup on. I am actually wearing Black Opal's Carob, and this is Shades by Gyal Medium Neutral Concealer. I believe it's in the color Light. So this is what I'm using to push my features forward. Now I do not use it to highlight at all, just my brow bone area, but that's because I want the hair to come out some more. But for this tutorial I wanted to exaggerate my features a little bit. Now in this video I am hella slimming, so those of you who want to know how to look hella snatched, this is what you do. You exaggerate your features. You go with a really light concealer and a really dark concealer as well, or foundation, to do your contouring. So I'm just blending out as much as I can using my beauty blender, and I did my forehead and I just decided to do my chin. So I just highlighted all the areas I want to highlight. Then I'm going in with my LA Pro primer in white, and I'm taking it on the high points, the points that I want to stick out some more, because the Shades by Gyal Medium Neutral Concealer, that kind of blended in with my foundation. It's not giving me the heaviness that I want it to have. It's not giving me it's not as bright as I want it to. So I'm just blending out. Then I'm taking my Your True Shade translucent powder. Now I do not recommend using this translucent powder damp, because you'll see that it left imperfections on my face. So I use it with a damp beauty blender. Don't recommend it. But you live and you learn, and because this is a Halloween video, I mean the mistake was welcomed. So now you see me brushing away, and you can see where it is like missing and like sticking to my face in some areas. So don't use it damp, use it dry. Well, I don't know if because I've had it that long, I don't know, but I use it dry. Use it damp, I recommend, but I used it dry for this tutorial. So now I'm going with my Black Opal 700 Deep. You can see on my cheeks there, under my eyes, where it's a little bit imperfected, or it's not looking good, imperfected, I don't know. So this is where I'm going to set everywhere else with my powder foundation. And again, it is Black Opal 700 Deep foundation. So this is my Zulu palette, and this brush is actually from our Poem in Paradise collection that was at Fontana, but it's now discontinued at Fontana. So I'm using my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and these palettes are what I've been using for a good while, because I had given away most of my palettes on my Snapchat and to my friends and stuff. So the only palettes I have left are my Juvia's Place palettes until I re-up on some other palettes, but this is what I'll be using. So this step, these other steps are pretty self-explanatory. So if you don't mind, I'll just be playing some music over them as I continue, but maybe not, I don't know. But how I'm shading, because I'm basically contouring with the eyeshadows, right? So I'm starting with a darker color with a darker color that has color, and I'll be building up from then. Now I want my forehead to appear larger, so I'm low lighting around that area. I'm contouring my face in that way, and I can see, as you saw, I brought my highlight, the medium neutral concealer, all the way up to my hairline almost, and that's because I want my face to be lifted. I want my features to be exaggerated. Everything has a purpose, and you can definitely achieve that with this basically facial reconstruction with just makeup, excuse me, and with contouring. So this is my Masquerade palette, and I'm just going in with this blue. I'm sticking more to watercolors, so like the blues and the turquoise and the purples, you know, with the pinks. I'm just sticking more to watercolors with this excuse me, with this look. There's not much to add. I'm just going over the colors with this look as well, and I'll be going in with other stuff that won't be using my Juvia's Place palettes, but for now this is what I'm using to achieve this look. So I feel like I'm repeating myself, so I'm just going to have some music play over while you guys continue to watch.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need. need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you bad mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like some stuck in a traffic and me way behind cars.
Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Yeah. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching. Searching for my freedom, it's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting. Hurting. Hurting, yeah. Free I need to be. I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother for living in poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I need a cup of pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. Me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like some stuck in a traffic and me live behind cars. I say, free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need.
I need to be free. Yeah.
I'm not saying only for stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now me, I wanna be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free.
Searching for my freedom, it's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting. Hurting. Hurting.
bother fi live in a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camp a pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel.